May it please, Your Lordship. My Lord, I beg to mention item number 37.
Yeah.
Your Lordship, my junior who is assisting me in this case is not well, so he could not make it today. If this can be listed on your Lordship's next visit.
Oh, that may not happen again.
We'll wait, my Lord.
Okay.
In the next visit, Lord.
Okay. On request made by A. Zimami, the counsel for the petitioner. For the appellant. This the matter after 4 weeks.
My Lord.
No, Lordship, in the last visit.
No, I can't say that.
Okay.
Much obliged.
If Lordship visits before that, also it will be a problem.
No, you can mention
We can
it,
make a
by
mention.
way of
We can make a
mention.
mention, Lordship.
We can do that, man.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 35, 34 and 35.
Yes, please.
Lordship, on behalf of my senior, kindly allow 2 weeks time.
Who's your senior?
Apok owner.
Okay. On request made on behalf of I, Apok owner, and counsel for the petitioner. List the matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
On my behalf of my senior, 3 weeks time may be given. We are here to file affidavit of opposition, Your Lordship.
Opposition? You're a
Affidavit.
petitioner?
Respondent, Your Lordship.
You're the respondent?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who's your senior?
Respondent number 7, Nancy Lotha.
Okay. Okay, on request made by MS, your good name, please.
Craig Ye.
Do not counsel for respond number 7. List the matter after
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks to enable her to file counter affidavit. Yeah.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Absolutely, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 36.
Item?
36 from the hearing list, Lordship.
Yes.
I'm mentioning on behalf of Mr. Limawapang,
Oh.
counsel for respondent number 6.
Oh.
Lordship is not keeping well, so the matter can come up next week. Your Lordship, as far as this item is concerned, Your Lordship, of course, it is an appeal filed by the state. It's an appeal against conviction. But Your Lordship, I would submit that the appeal does not lie. It's a short ground which I would like to place before Your Lordship. And if that ground is accepted by this honorable court, then there's no need to keep this appeal pending. Let it come up, my Lord. A short ground. I can place that for Your Lordship's consideration. 36.
You ready? Yes. Then let's see. But what about Limaupa?
Your Lordship, if I'm able to impress Your Lordship with that particular point,
Okay.
the appeal itself will not lie, my Lord.
Okay. Oh, this is an appeal by the state.
It's an appeal by the state.
Okay. Let's wait for some time.
Lordship.
My pleasure, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8 and 9. Lordship, here the counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Takakichi, is actually out of station, Lordship. So I pray Lordship may list this matter on Monday.
On request made on behalf of the
May, Lordship, may I just, Lordship? I am for item number 11, Lordship. And I have been newly engaged in this case, Lordship. So, Lordship, may kindly fix this matter on 11th of April.
11th April, my
Oh,
Lord.
these are all analogous.
All
matters.
analogous, my Lord. Let it be fixed on the 11th of April, my Lord.
Okay. On request made on behalf of Takakichi, Learned Counsel for Petitioner in WBC 152 of 2019. List the matter on 11th of April.
My Lord.
But with regard to item number 11, my Lord, I have filed the Wakat number today, my Lord. Our name may be reflected, my Lord.
Registry is also directed to reflect the name of Mr.
P. Deka, my Lord.
P. Dekal, Learned Counsel for respond number
For the petitioners in item number 11.
for the petitioner
In item number 11.
WBC 180 of 2019.
Highly agreed, Lordship.
Much obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19, 19.
Huh.
Lordship, in this case, I was supposed to file an IA praying for amendment by writ petition. On the last occasion, this honorable court was pleased to permit me. Petition is ready, but I could not obtain the signature, Your Lordship. If the matter may be listed after a week, Your Lordship. Item
On
19.
request made by TB Jamal, Learned Counsel for list the matter after 1 week.
Much obliged. Much obliged.
Maybe His Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 43. I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. I'm supposed to file an amended petition However, it's not ready, so Lordship will be pleased to give
Made
3
by
weeks time.
Mr. Debloar Muli, learned counsel for petitioner. List the matter after
3 weeks time.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 20, Your Lordship. Here, the state is yet to file counter. So kindly grant 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship. 20.
Anybody appearing for petitioner?
My please, Lordship, if may I make a prayer, Lordship. Lordship, here, my son died in the year 2003, and it's about non-settlement of the family pension.
Okay.
It's been more than 19 years, so if a short date may be given, Lordship. The state is
How
already,
much time
3
you,
weeks, Your Lordship.
you take 2 weeks? 2 weeks.
respondent for his filed affidavit, Lordship.
You are Mr.
PN Pom, Lordship.
Heard PN Home, learned counsel for petitioner. On request made by Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate. List the matter after 2 weeks to enable her to file counter.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 5.
Respondent number 5? Yes.
Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item 30, Your Lordship. Here also, the state is yet to file counter. So kindly grant me some time, Your Lordship.
Louis come? None. Yes, Mr. Louis come?
Item 30.
It's your matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard NK Louis come, learned counsel for petition. On request made by Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate. List the matter after
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I have a similar prayer. Lordship. I'm for respondent number 4.
3 weeks to file contract.
Obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to mention, item number 31, Your Lordship, on behalf of Im Song, additional AG, Your Lordship, he's yet to receive instructions. So kindly grant some time, Your Lordship.
Yeah. Heard Mr. Pakin.
Pakin Utsavu, my lord.
Pakin Utsavu. Learned counsel number 3. On request made on behalf of Mr. Im Song, learned additional AG. List the matter after
3 weeks, Your
3
Lordship.
weeks to enable him to file contract.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17. Lordship, let this matter come up next week, Lordship.
On request made by Fosico, learned counsel for petitioner. List the matter after 1 week.
Lordship is an interim. Can let the interim continue?
3 more to pass.
Obliged, my lord.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. The Lordship, may I please to mention hearing item number 38 to 40, Your Lordship. This matter has been endorsed to me, Your Lordship, recently, so 3 weeks may be granted for me to prepare the case, Your Lordship.
Heard MS
Le-
Easter, learned counsel for petitioner. On request made by MS
Livika, Your Lordship.
Levika, learned government advocate. List the matter after
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks. Item 38 to
38 to 40, Your Lordship.
40.
Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 33, Your Lordship.
30?
3. Your Lordship, here I'm yet to receive instruction. So another 3 weeks may be granted to me, Your Lordship.
On request made by learned government advocate. List the matter after 3 weeks to enable her to file contract.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14. I'm appearing on behalf of my senior Moajamir on behalf of the counsel for the
Item
petitioner.
number
14, my lord.
14 is adjourned.
Okay.
Are you sure it's item 14?
Yes, my
Or
lord.
is it item 15?
14, my lord. My apologies, my lord. It's 15.
Where's your cost list?
He's on legs in the other courtroom, sir.
Where's your cost list?
Cost list. Okay. My apologies, my lord.
On request made on behalf of Mr. Moajamir, then counsel for petitioner. List the matter after
1 week, my lord, for admission hearing.
1 week.
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24. Please kindly grant me 3 weeks' time to file my affidavit.
Okay. MS Ivy, then counsel for petitioner. Then counsel, then government advocate. is allowed. How much time?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks time to file counter.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for
List accordingly.
item 28.
Same order. Just say heard MS so-and-so, then counsel for petition.
Anong layal here?
MS AIME is allowed 3 weeks time to file contract. List after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, item number 32 on behalf of Senior Government Advocate Samwa Imchin, kindly grant 3 weeks to file counter. No objection, Your Lordship.
AMS any
Yes, sir.
heard MS any theory and counsel for petition. On request made on behalf of my Imchin and its Senior Government Advocate. Listed matter after 3 weeks to enable him to file contract.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25 on behalf of Subong Chan. The state is yet to file counter affidavit. Lordship, I kindly grant some time to file counter affidavit.
Heard MS S. Longkamal and counsel for petition. On request made on behalf of MS Supung Chang and government, 3 weeks time is allowed to file contract. List after 3 weeks. Yeah.
And Lordship, item number 27, similar prayer.
Yes, I'm for the petitioner.
Heard Anungla Longkamal and counsel for petitioner. On request made on behalf of
On behalf of Subong Chan,
Supung Chang and government, at least a matter of 3 weeks.
and Lordship, I beg to mention item number 41 and 42. On behalf of Madam Lucy, Senior Government Advocate. Lordship, I kindly list this matter after 1 week.
Yes. You're good now? You're good
Vivana, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Moa Jamir.
Okay, heard Moa Jamil and the counsel for petitioner. On request made on behalf of MS Lucille and the Senior Government Advocate, list the matter after
1 week.
1 week. Yeah.
I oblige.
Proceed.
For motion, item number 1.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, item number 1 to 5 will be analogous. But not the matter relates to land ownership.
Land ownership. But then he must have joined already.
Yes, he must have joined, but the only issue, Lordship, is that in all the private respondents are backdoor appointments. No interview, nothing was done. So from that aspect, Lordship, because my Lord, Your Lordship is well aware that there is a total ban on backdoor appointments in the state. So in other violation of that, you were appointed on backdoor. My Lord, if Your Lordship may kindly see the approval order. My Lord,
Page 25.
yes, Lordship. My Lord, at page 20, Lordship may kindly see the approval orders. At page 25, with reference, I'm directed to convey the administrative award.
Takama-san and the Senior Counsel for petition. Assisted by Takama, the Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. So-and-so, Leonard Counsel Arno for the petitioner. Issue notice. Who appears?
Lordship, I'm appearing for
Mr.
1 to 3.
Anamami, Leonard Government Advocate, enters appearance on behalf of respondents.
1 to 3.
2 and 3. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice on respond number 4 by registered post ID within 1 week.
Lordship.
List the matter after 4 weeks. In the interim, the approval letter
My Lord, the appointment order is also there.
dated
Appointment order is page,
25, 17/1/2023,
yes,
and the appointment order of the private respondent number
4.
dated
Same date, Lordship, 17/1/2023.
17/1/2023 shall remain suspended. To the next meeting.
My Lord, similar order may be passed in the other,
Same
same approval order, same.
Same order.
Obligement. For motion, item number 6.
Please, Your Lordship. The matter, the petitioner is a landowner, Your Lordship. A vacancy of a post of pool attendant arose at Shari dispensary. The petitioner is, being a landowner, applied for the post.
Where's that approval order?
Approval order is annexure page 29.
Appointment order has come out.
No, Your Lordship. Till date, no order has come out.
You are against which vacancy?
Against the first item,
Bull
serial
attendant.
number 1,
Bull attendant.
pool attendant, Your Lordship.
Third Tongpo Commander, Learned Counsel for Petition. Issue notice. MSAIB, Learned Government Advocate, enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of respondents 1, 2, 3, and 4. As such, no extra copies. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice on respond number 5 by registered post ID within 1 week. List the matter up to 4 weeks. In the interim, the administrative approval for the post of bull attendant under the establishment of CVO Tengsang, dated 6 March 2023, shall remain suspended.
Lordship, I'm praying for your Lordship's intelligence. The administrative order should be, suspension of the administrative order should be only with regard to the private respondents in all the cases.
Oh, yes, yes. In respect of the private respondent number.
Same private respondents.
Respond number. You type it, I'll be correct.
Applies, Lord.
For admission, item number 7.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, in the last occasion, when the admission hearing was there, that time some inquiry was sought by the High Court, by the Honorable Court, and I sought that clarification from the department, and I'm yet to receive that instruction. So kindly list the matter after 3 weeks, my Lord.
After?
3 weeks, my Lord.
Yes, heard MS Imnasanna, Learned Counsel for Petitioner. Also
And
heard
for
City
respondent number
Jamil,
5.
Senior Counsel for respond number 5. Stop on request made by Mr. Tipapong, Learned Government Advocate. List the matter after
3 weeks, my Lord.
3 weeks.
For admission, item number 16.
None appears for the petitioner. List the matter after 2 weeks.
For admission, item number 18.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, let this item be taken up after the listed items. Your Lordship, the leading counsel, he will be appearing for this matter.
Where is he?
Your Lordship, he has a motion item in court number 2.
For admission, item number 21.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior Jamil for respondent number 5. Your Lordship, in this matter, we are yet to file our affidavit in opposition. So, Lordship, if 2 weeks' time may be granted to us.
Heard in Long Learned Counsel for the petitioner. On request made on behalf of Mr. Moore Jamil, Learned Counsel for respond number
5, my Lord.
5, 2 weeks time is allowed to file complaint. List according.
Obliged.
Item number 22. and 23.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, the government is yet to file their counter.
Please, Lordship, I for the state. The state is here to file counter affidavit, so kindly grant 1 week time to file.
You have received the parawise?
No, Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my colleagues. I'm appearing on behalf of my colleagues.
You're with them?
M. Konyak, my lord.
Let Mr. M. Kongat, Learned Counsel for Petition. On request made by MS.
Bichano.
Bichano, Learned Government Advocate, list the matter after 2 weeks to file counter.
Oblige, my lord.
I oblige.
Item number 26.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, I've received a letter from the department. My lord, here I'm informed that the department has sent proposal to the government for considering creation of 9 supernumerary posts of night to accommodate promotion of lab technician, or above you are requested to apprise the court, honorable court, and when the matter is listed for. So my lord, their case is already sent for proposal for consideration.
Lordship, yes, the proposal was sent in July, in the month of July. Now, till date, no information.
Yes, my lord.
So instructions may be
At
sought.
Tombok Pongan, Learned Counsel for Petitioner. Mr. N. Tipapong, Learned Government Advocate, submits that the Office of the Director General of Police, Nagaland, has sent a proposal for creation of 9 supernumerary posts of lab technician under Police Department to the Home Commissioner by letter dated. What date is this?
2nd August 2022.
No, Your Lordship, the
Government
letter
letter.
was sent in July, Your Lordship.
Yes, my
The
lord.
date is not given. It's 21/7, as per this.
I don't know what date is this. In the month of July 2022. Stop. Learned Government Advocate shall take instructions as to the outcome of the letter dated. No date is here. Shall receive instructions whether the said supernumerary post, whether the proposal for creation of 9 supernumerary posts of lab technician under Police Department has been approved by the government.
Yes.
List after
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
Much obliged.
For hearing, item number 36.
So, Your Lordship, before my learned friend starts, before the learned public prosecutor starts, the only point I wish to make at this point, Your Lordship, since the other counsel is not represented, but on the maintainability of the appeal, if my Lord can kindly copy of the CRPC.
CRPC.
And this is an appeal filed under section 378.
378?
Yes, my Lord. So, if Your Lordship can kindly come to section 378 of the CRPC. An appeal against an acquittal. Has your Lordship got it? Section 378.
Yes.
May I read, my Lord? Save as otherwise provided in subsection 2 and subject to the provisions of subsections 3 and 5, the district magistrate may in any case direct the public prosecutor to present an appeal to the Court of Session from an order of acquittal passed by a magistrate in respect of a cognizable and non-bailable offence. B. The state government may in any case direct the public prosecutor to present an appeal to the High Court from an original or appellate order of an acquittal passed by any court other than the High Court, not being an order under Clause A or an order of acquittal passed by the Court of Session in revision. 2. If such an order of acquittal is passed in any case in which the offence has been investigated by the Delhi Special Police Establishment constituted under the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946 or by any other agency empowered to make investigation into an offence under any central act other than this code, the central government may, subject to the provisions of subsection 3, also direct the public prosecutor to present an appeal. A. To the Court of Session from an order of acquittal passed by a magistrate in respect of a cognizable and non-bailable offence. B. To the High Court from an original or appellate order of an acquittal passed by any court other than the High Court, not being an order under Clause A or an order of acquittal passed by the Court of Session in revision. 3. This is the provision to which I wish to draw your Lordship's attention. No appeal to the High Court under subsection 1 or subsection 2 shall be entertained except with the leave of the High Court. So therefore, your Lordship,
Lordship, for that matter, I have filed an application for leave of this court, and this court has granted it.
no, the
This court
application
has
was
granted
for
it, your
the
Lordship.
application was for condonation of delay.
No, there was a condonation of delay, and after that, there was a leave of application to file an appeal, and that court has allowed it.
Then in that case, that application is still pending.
Yes, it will be, Lordship, my apology, I didn't bring that the whole file since the other two IA was disposed. That leave was granted.
Just a minute.
Yes.
And that copy was not served to me. I don't have a copy of that, man. The only copy I got
Has
was
it
an
been
application.
disposed?
Yes, your Lordship, the leave was granted, your Lordship.
How can it be disposed without hearing the other side?
Only application which was allowed was the application of condonation of delay.
Lordship, record will,
Let us see.
yes, Lordship.
You've not got the leave application.
No, leave application was not served to me. I don't have a copy. And in fact, Your Lordship, this is the order which was passed in the IA.
Of condonation.
Yes, condonation of delay. IA number 7K of 2016. The first part of the order, Your Lordship. This IA filed by the state of Nagaland praying for leave to file criminal appeal against the judgment and order dated 12/5/16 by condoning a delay of 144 days. And at the end, Your Lordship, paragraph 5. I agreed with learned counsel for the respondent that a criminal case against an accused could not have continued when the accused died during the trial because the case is abated immediately on his death. The fact that the deceased respondent number 4 died during the trial is confirmed by the undisputed fact that she died on 10/7/14, whereas judgment and order of trial was passed only on 12/5/16. Therefore, another person cannot be brought to represent in an appeal which is not maintainable for the same reason. For reasons cited above, the prayer of the applicant as far as this is concerned is rejected. However, regarding the prayer for condonation of delay,
Then both were disposed by the same order.
cannot be, my lord.
Lordship, there will be a separate order.
I don't
Lordship, yes. My apology that I don't have the file and I don't remember the file number. But leave was granted. Thereafter, condonation was, delay was condoned, Lordship.
How many IAs are there?
There will be 2, Lordship. Unless leave is granted, delay cannot be condoned, Lordship.
IA criminal number 7K of 2016. What is this matter? What is 9K?
Yes, my lord. Apparently, my apologies, my lord. Apparently, there was an application, but I could not find it in my file. And apparently, my junior appeared. That information was not given to me.
Yes, leave was granted.
Yes, I did not find it in my file, my lord.
Doesn't matter.
Then in that case, let it come off a hearing.
Now we can proceed.
Not tomorrow, not possible. Tomorrow, not.
Paper book is ready?
I'm ready, otherwise.
Paper book?
Yes, it's ready.
You've
Yes,
got,
yes.
all the parties have got the paper book? You've got your paper book?
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Has not been reflected. Lordship, my name was not reflected. I'm only seeing it presently. I am appearing for respondent number 1. My junior's name is reflected here.
Where?
Serial number
SUP.
Yes. So,
okay, call these then.
That means we won't take up the matter today.
Huh?
We won't take
Yes.
No, the other side, someone was mentioning, no, not well. I'm ready, otherwise.
Yes.
Someone was mentioning, my lord, one of the other councils is
I
not
think it
well.
was Limapa.
Yes, yes.
On his behalf.
Yes, my lord. So let it be listed in the second week of April, madam. Second week of April.
You want the date fixed or just second week?
Just second week of April.
Have you called the private secretary?
So.
Heard MSB Sukre, Leonard Public Prosecutor. Also heard Mr. A. Zimomi, Leonard Counsel for Respondents 2 and 3. Stop. On request made on behalf of Mr. Liu Maopang, Leonard Counsel for Respondent number 6. Release the matter in the second week of April 2023. Stop. Para. Registry is also directed to reflect the name of Mr. Tompok Pawona as the Leonard Counsel for Respondent number 1 in the cause list.
Much obliged.
Where is the other case?
For admission, item number 18.
Item number
18.
Yes, what is this matter?
My lord,
Who appears for the other side?
Young Rawati, my lord, for the private respondent, and my lord for the state, Madam Lucy.
Lucy is absent.
Your Lordship, he'll be coming.
Yes?
He'll be coming.
Who?
Sir Yang Rawati.
Where's Lucy? Lucy, I'm told she's out of station. Yes, someone was mentioning Thipa. Lucy is out of station, something like that you were mentioning this morning.
This morning?
Yes.
No, I have not mentioned.
Somebody was.
I've mentioned for Madam Lucy. Yes, she's out of station.
Then we'll list it after 4 weeks. Let's see.
My lord, this
It's a small matter.
yes, my lord, and it can be heard only when you are sitting, my lord.
Heard Cynthia Younger, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
Before
Younger.
that, Lordship, just one submission. This is a review petition, and order was passed by Justice Nani Dantai. So, if a review petition can be heard by,
Is it like that?
My lord,
it's a review petition, Lordship.
My lord, Justice Nani Takia, he disposed WPC 258, my lord, of 2018, my lord. My lord, an appeal was preferred. before the division bench. Division bench quashed the single bench order and then remanded the matter before the single bench again. So, my lord, when the matter was pending, since they are the petitioner in WPC 258, I was the respondent. The petitioner withdrew the case, my lord. However, my lord,
Yeah, I remember, yes, okay. That's in the younger learned counsel for petition. Also heard Mr. Yangawati, learned, you're the CGC? No.
No, this is a private case.
Learned counsel for respond number?
For the private
5.
one.
Stop. On request made on behalf of MS Lucy, learned government, senior government advocate. List the matter
after a week, my lord, because, my lord, I have already been removed from service, my lord. following
after
the-
a week, this court will not be there.
My lord.
Yeah. After 4 weeks. Meantime, if by chance, if I come back, you can make a mention memo and get it listed.
My lord, my lord.
Go. Go.
Obliged, my lord.